Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah.
In many football cities around the world, the final whistle marks the end. But in Kumasi, it marks the beginning of something else entirely. Here, when the referee blows that last breath of air, the stadium doesn't empty, it awakens. At 2-0 down, you could almost taste the sadness in the air. The kind of silence where thousands of voices are screaming inside, but nobody speaks. Some fans had their shirts all over their faces. Some sat quietly, shaking their heads.
The way they are playing, it looks like only miracle can let Kotoko have a point.
A miracle, that word would become a prophecy. When the first goal arrived 2-1, the stadium transformed. Hope once faint and burst into flames.
That is the response they want!
And that's what you'd always expect from a team that's high to win the Premier League.
The drummers woke up. The singers found their voices, and the same faces that were drowning in sadness began to rise. Then came the equalizer in the dying embers, a moment that shook the stadium. It wasn't just a goal, it was a release of fear, of anger, of hope, and of pride, all bursting through voices at once. Kumasi didn't celebrate, Kumasi burst out. And when the final whistle ended the game, something strange happened. No one moved, the seats remained full, the walkways crowded. Kumasi was not done. This is the real Kumasi, where every fan is a coach, where every corner becomes a TV studio, where strangers argue like brothers about what should have happened on the field. The match may have ended, but the debate, that's the true 90 minutes. To understand Kumasi, you must understand this moment. A city that refuses to walk away, a people who carry their team in their hearts, win, lose or draw. Here, the final whistle doesn't end the story, it simply opens another chapter.